How to look up Bitcoin address on Cash App. To view your current Bitcoin address on Cash App, you may follow up this process. So you can open up the Cash App application first on your device like this, and you will be finding this particular interface. From here, you can tap on the Money tab on your home screen, and your balance page opens up here. Including that, you'll be finding different options. Tap on the Bitcoin tile, and once you tap on it, you can select the option of depositing. Just go ahead and scroll to the option and find this option called deposit Bitcoin, where you can, when you tap on it, it will show you the Bitcoin address that you may want to copy. So this is one of the method. Apart from that, within the Cash App, again within this Bitcoin tile, you may tap on this arrow icon right beside buy and sell, and you can select the option to receive or send. And when you do, here it will show you a QR code, and at the top right corner you will be finding a copy option. Tap on it, and when you do, there also your Bitcoin address will be available, which you can use in order to transact anything. So that is it. If you'd like to look up Bitcoin address on Cash App, these are the two methods that are available. You may follow any of the method to look out for your address. So that is it for today's video. I hope this information was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.